Hey everyone, and welcome. I am so excited you are here today. We are going to be talking about one of my absolute favorite topics, skincare. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and taking care of it is one of the best forms of self-care you can practice. But let's be real, beauty can feel overwhelming sometimes. So many products, so many ingredients, so much conflicting advice. My goal today is to cut through the noise and simplify things for you. We'll break it down step by step so you feel empowered and confident. We're focusing on health, nourishment, and consistent habits that work for you. First things first, let's figure out what skin you're working with. Knowing your skin type is the foundation of an effective routine. Use the wash and wait method. Cleanse, pat dry, and wait 30 to 60 minutes. How your skin feels after gives a big clue. If your face looks shiny all over, you likely have oily skin. You might see enlarged pores and breakouts from overactive sebaceous glands. Choose lightweight, non-comedogenic products and salicylic acid to keep pores clear. If skin feels tight, rough, or flaky after washing, you likely have dry skin. Dry skin makes less sebum. Focus on barrier repair and deep hydration. Reach for ceramides, hyaluronic acid, rich moisturizers, and non-stripping cleansers. Combination skin, an oily T-zone with dry or normal cheeks. Sensitive skin, patch test and stick to gentle, fragrance-free formulas. If your skin feels hydrated and balanced with no major issues, that's normal skin. Whatever your type, your goal is to maintain a healthy balance. Your skin is unique, and your routine should be too. Start simple. Everyone benefits from 3 core steps. This is your morning and night baseline. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect with broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Every single day, no exceptions. At night, cleanse away oil, dirt, and makeup. Try a double cleanse, oil-based first, then a water-based cleanser. Finish with moisturizer to repair while you sleep. Add 1 treatment at a time, between cleanse and moisturize. Use vitamin C in the morning for protection, retinol at night for aging concerns. Advance as needed. Eye creams, toners, and gentle exfoliants like AHAs or BHAs. Introduce slowly and track reactions so you know what works. Master the basics first, then build with intention. You don't need to spend a lot. Your kitchen has amazing skin helpers. For a soothing oatmeal mask, grind oats, mix with warm water to a paste. Apply, rest for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Raw honey, including manuka, is hydrating and antibacterial. Use as a spot treatment or a thin all-over mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle AHA for brighter, smoother skin. Leave on about 15 minutes. Green tea is antioxidant-rich. Chill the tea bags to depuff tired eyes, or apply cooled tea with a cotton pad as a soothing, protective toner. Simple, effective, and skin-loving, right from your pantry. Always patch test new DIY treatments, especially on sensitive skin. Rinse gently and follow with your regular moisturizer. Let's demystify popular actives so you can use them safely and effectively. AHAs like glycolic and lactic are water-soluble surface exfoliants. They lift dead cells, smooth texture, and brighten. Great for dry to normal skin. BHAs like salicylic are oil-soluble, clearing inside pores, reducing clogs and breakouts. Start acids 1 to 3 times a week, and always wear sunscreen. Vitamin C neutralizes pollution and UV-induced free radicals, brightens, and fades dark spots. Apply vitamin C before moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning. Vitamin E pairs with C to boost antioxidant power and nourish. Retinoids speed up cell turnover and stimulate collagen to smooth lines, texture, and acne. Biotin supports stronger hair strands. Sulfate-free shampoos are gentler, especially for dry or color-treated hair. For body, use ceramides to repair the barrier and hyaluronic acid to hydrate. Introduce actives thoughtfully, protect daily, and let consistency do the rest. Flawless doesn't mean poreless. Redefine flawless as healthy, resilient, radiant skin. Aim for skin you feel confident in. Consistency is everything. Simple routines, done daily. Actives need time. Stick with them. Hydration from the inside matters. Hydration from the outside matters too. Look for humectants like hyaluronic acid and glycerin for that dewy look. Even oily skin needs moisturizer to avoid overcompensation. Up to 80% of visible aging is sun exposure. Use SPF 30+ every morning. Make sunscreen your last AM step and reapply when outside. Eat nutrient-rich foods and healthy fats for repair and glow. Prioritize sleep and manage stress with movement, mindfulness, and hobbies. Care for your whole self, your skin will show it. K-beauty isn't about quick fixes. It's prevention and gentle nourishment. Layer lightweight hydration to build a strong barrier and a luminous, glass skin glow. The 10-step is a menu, not a mandate. Choose what you need. Core options include double cleanse, gentle exfoliation, toner, essence, serum, sheet mask, eye cream, moisturizer, and morning SPF. Essences deliver fermented, hydrating actives to help later products absorb better. Sheet masks seal in serum for an intense hydration boost in 15 to 20 minutes. Hero ingredients: snail mucin for repair, cica to calm, fermented actives for potency. Whether 2 steps or 10, the lesson is gentle, hydrating, and consistent care. Ayurveda views beauty holistically, reflecting mind, body, and spirit. Balance your unique dosha mix: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata skin is dry and delicate. Nourish with warmth, oils, and adaptogens like ashwagandha and sesame oil. Pitta runs hot and sensitive, calm with cooling aloe, sandalwood, and rose. Kapha is thicker and oilier. Use gentle exfoliation, clarifying clays, and herbal uptans. Daily rituals like oil pulling, abhyanga, and dosha-aligned diets support skin from within. Inner harmony and outer radiance are intrinsically linked. Skincare is not perfection. It's health, patience, and consistency. Celebrate small victories and be gentle with yourself. Let's build a kind, uplifting beauty community. If this helped, please like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more radiant living. Be kind to your skin, be kind to yourself, and be kind to each other. Spread love and positivity. I'll see you in the next one.